In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in Hubspot CRM, a skill that's essential for keeping your CRM updated with the latest activity and maintaining seamless communication with your contacts. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the HubSpot website. Once there, you should look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Once you're on the login page, go ahead and enter your credentials, your email and password, and hit login. If you don't remember your details, don't worry. There's usually an option to reset your password or get assistance logging in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. From this central hub, you can access various features, but today we're focusing on the CRM aspect. So locate the CRM option, which is typically listed in the navigation menu or prominently displayed on your dashboard, then click on it to enter the CRM environment. With the CRM dashboard in view, your next step is to click on Contacts. This will take you to a list of all the contacts stored in your HubSpot account. These contacts are essential for logging interactions like emails, calls, and meetings. You'll want to make sure you're logging your interactions under the right contact to maintain organized records. Scroll through or search for the contact you interacted with by typing their name into the search bar. Once you've found the correct contact on this list, click on their name to bring up their profile. This will showcase detailed information and a timeline of all interactions with this particular contact. Within the contact's profile, find the option that says More. This is your gateway to additional actions you can perform related to the contact. Hover over or click on this button and you'll see a drop-down menu with various options. Among those options, you'll find Log a Call. Click on it to open a new dialog box. This is where you'll input the details of the phone call you wish to log. You'll typically see fields for the time and date of the call, the outcome, and any notes or summaries you'd like to add. Be sure to fill in these details as accurately as possible. Notes are particularly valuable if you want to remember what was discussed or if there are action items you need to follow up on later. Once everything is in place, look for the Save button and click it. And there you have it, your phone call is now logged in HubSpot CRM. Make sure to regularly update your CRM by logging calls and other interactions to keep your communication smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy logging.